What if I told you that a single hormone in your body holds the key to life and death, capable of transforming a simple meal into pure energy or a ticking time bomb? Meet insulin, the tiny powerhouse responsible for the delicate dance of sugar in your blood. But wait, could your favorite zero-calorie sweetener be sabotaging this vital process? Get ready to uncover the shocking truth about insulin and artificial sweeteners that will change the way you think about your diet forever. The role and purpose of insulin. What is insulin? Insulin is a peptide hormone produced by beta cells in the pancreas, a small gland located behind the stomach. It plays a central role in carbohydrate, fat, and protein metabolism. Upon eating, the digestive system breaks down carbohydrates into glucose, which enters the bloodstream. In response to rising blood glucose levels, the pancreas releases insulin to help cells absorb glucose, using it for energy or storing it for future use. How does insulin work? Glucose uptake. Insulin binds to receptors on the surface of cells, especially muscle and fat cells. This binding activates a signaling cascade that allows glucose to enter the cells. Storage of glucose. In the liver, insulin promotes the conversion of excess glucose into glycogen for storage. When blood sugar levels drop, glycogen is converted back into glucose and released into the bloodstream. Regulation of fat storage. Insulin inhibits the breakdown of fat in adipose tissue, promoting fat storage. This process ensures that the body uses glucose as its primary energy source. Protein synthesis. Insulin aids in the uptake of amino acids into cells, enhancing protein synthesis and muscle growth. Why insulin is crucial for the body. Insulin's primary function is maintaining blood glucose levels within a narrow range, ensuring that cells have a constant energy supply. Its roles include energy regulation. By facilitating glucose uptake, insulin provides the energy necessary for cellular functions and physical activities. Metabolic balance. Insulin's influence on fat and protein metabolism helps maintain a balance between energy intake and expenditure. Prevention of hyperglycemia. Without insulin, blood sugar levels can rise uncontrollably, leading to hyperglycemia, a condition that can damage organs and tissues. Growth and development. Insulin's role in protein synthesis is vital for growth, repair, and overall development of the body. Insulin and diabetes. Diabetes is a group of diseases characterized by high blood glucose levels due to defects in insulin production, insulin action, or both. There are two main types. Type 1 diabetes, an autoimmune condition where the body's immune system attacks and destroys insulin-producing beta cells in the pancreas. Individuals with type 1 diabetes require lifelong insulin therapy. Type 2 diabetes, a metabolic disorder where the body becomes resistant to insulin, or the pancreas fails to produce enough insulin. Type 2 diabetes is often managed through lifestyle changes, oral medications, and sometimes insulin. Artificial sweeteners and insulin levels. What are artificial sweeteners? Artificial sweeteners are synthetic sugar substitutes that provide the sweetness of sugar without the calories. Common artificial sweeteners include aspartame, found in many diet sodas and sugar-free products; sucralose, commonly known as Splenda, used in baking and beverages; saccharin, one of the oldest artificial sweeteners, found in some diet foods and beverages; stevia, a natural sweetener derived from the leaves of the stevia plant. The debate: do artificial sweeteners raise insulin levels? The relationship between artificial sweeteners and insulin levels is complex and subject to ongoing research. Some studies suggest that artificial sweeteners may influence insulin secretion, while others find no significant effect. Aspartame research indicates that aspartame does not significantly affect insulin levels. However, individual responses can vary. Sucralose. Some studies suggest sucralose may cause a slight increase in insulin levels, but the evidence is not conclusive. Saccharin. Early studies showed mixed results, but recent research suggests minimal impact on insulin secretion. Stevia. Generally considered safe with little to no effect on insulin levels. Some studies even suggest it might improve insulin sensitivity. Mechanisms behind insulin response. The potential mechanisms by which artificial sweeteners might influence insulin levels include taste receptors. Sweet taste receptors in the mouth may signal the pancreas to release insulin, even in the absence of sugar. Gut hormones. Some artificial sweeteners may affect the release of gut hormones that influence insulin secretion. Microbiome changes. Artificial sweeteners can alter gut microbiota, potentially impacting insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. The controversy and what science says. Conflicting studies and findings. Some animal studies suggest artificial sweeteners can induce glucose intolerance and alter insulin sensitivity. However, these findings are not always applicable to humans due to differences in metabolism. Human studies have produced mixed results. Some report no significant impact on insulin levels, while others suggest a potential increase in insulin response. Reviews of multiple studies, often called meta-analyses, conclude that artificial sweeteners have minimal or no effect on insulin levels in most people. However, individual variability and study design differences make definitive conclusions challenging. Expert opinions. Endocrinologists generally agree that artificial sweeteners are safe for most people and do not significantly impact insulin levels. However, they advise monitoring individual responses. Nutritionists emphasize the importance of a balanced diet and caution against excessive consumption of artificial sweeteners, advocating for natural whole foods. Diabetes specialists recommend that individuals with diabetes monitor their blood glucose and insulin levels closely when using artificial sweeteners, as responses can vary. Conclusion: insulin is a crucial hormone that regulates blood glucose levels and plays a vital role in energy metabolism, growth, and development. Understanding its function helps us appreciate the delicate balance our bodies maintain to stay healthy. While artificial sweeteners offer a low-calorie alternative to sugar, their impact on insulin levels remains a topic of ongoing research and debate. Current evidence suggests that, for most people, artificial sweeteners do not significantly raise insulin levels. However, individual responses may vary, and it's essential to approach their consumption with caution and awareness. In our quest for better health, it's crucial to make informed choices and consider how all aspects of our diet and lifestyle contribute to overall well-being. Insulin, this tiny but mighty hormone, continues to be a focal point in the complex interplay between diet, metabolism, and health. By understanding insulin and the potential effects of artificial sweeteners, we can make better decisions to support our health and wellness goals. Stay informed, stay curious, and remember that every choice you make plays a role in your body's intricate dance of energy and life. If you're concerned about your insulin levels or how your diet might be affecting your health, don't navigate this journey alone. Reach out to a healthcare professional, such as an endocrinologist or a registered dietitian, who can provide personalized advice and support. Your health is too important to leave to guesswork. Take control of your well-being today by scheduling a consultation with a specialist who can guide you toward a healthier, more informed lifestyle. Remember, making informed choices and seeking expert guidance are key steps in managing your health effectively. Empower yourself with knowledge and take proactive steps to ensure your body's delicate balance is maintained. Your journey to better health starts with a single step. Make that step today.